Hello brother, I have a pretty awkward question. I want to buy the Duke 390, but I'm a short guy. What is your height? By the way, nice bike. Thank you for your comment. So no, this is not an awkward question at all, but it's a legit question. I'm very happy to answer this. Me, I'm a very short guy too. I'm a very short person. So I'm 160 cm tall. And you know what? I used to have very typical Chinese relatives that always look down on me when it comes to my height. When I was a very young kid, I'm always like, oh, that's a nice bike. I want to have a big bike next time. And then the relatives will be like, you so short. You can ride big bikes, meh? So today is where I proved them wrong. 390 Duke is quite a tall bike for a naked bike. So yeah. So, are you wondering that if you are tall enough to ride the Duke 390 or not? Well, let me tell you, I am 160 cm tall. I'm not sure how many foot is that, but yeah, with some training, with some getting used to it, I believe you can. But if you are a complete beginner, and if this is your very first motorcycle, then I think it will intimidate you very much, because it is very tall. So let's have a look. How do I look when I'm on the bike? I am 160 cm tall, and the bike seat height is 820 mm tall, which is pretty tall for a small bike and targeted for beginners mostly, right? So yeah, let me show you how I look when I jump onto this bike. No problem at all, as you can see, because I'm used to it. I have about 3 years of experience riding a KTM. So can you still ride this bike? Sure, I guess so. Practice makes perfect. And one thing to consider, and one thing that you can take advantage of, is the preload adjustment. So as you can see just now, when I mount to the bike, and you can see the bike actually soften, it dampens down. So yeah, that's one of the advantage, that you can set it to the softest settings. Mine, I leave it as stock because I have no issues with it yet. Maybe I'll get it properly set up when I want. So as you can see here, like when I'm fully seated and the bike is upright, and you can see the kickstand is actually, the bike is completely straight. I move one leg forward and the bike will tip. So yeah, it is actually very soft. Even when you set it to the softer setting, you will get even lower, this bike, I believe. So that shouldn't be a problem. Yeah, so if you are even shorter than me, I guess you can still ride this. Practice makes perfect, guys. But it's very intimidating if this is your very first bike, and if it's new too. So still, if you love this bike so much, you really want a 390 Duke, I say go ahead and buy it. Put some crash bars on it, or maybe a frame slider, just in case if you drop it, it might help, right? Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. This is a short video because there are people that ask me, oh, what's your height? I'm like, yeah, I'm 160 cm tall, which is quite short. So if you like what I do give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Press the notification bell button and you will not miss a video from me. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the next time. Bye.